tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm.
Hey girl, Send out here coming at you with another video. And before we get started, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video. And one last thing, of course, make sure you like this video so the algorithm knows that you like me. And if you change your mind about me, you can take it back later, but just like it. So if you want to know more about the wonderful sponsors of this video, then make sure you check the description box where I leave all of the info for the color, the texture, and all of that jazz. Now, at this point, you know this about me, but maybe you don't if you're new here. When it comes to protective styles, I believe that too much of anything is too much. So I give my hair a break when it comes to trying different crochet styles. I can take off a crochet wig the same way that I could take off a regular wig at the end of the day. Variety, yes. This is also a really nice way to try out LOCS on yourself just to see if whether or not you'll like it before you commit to it, so that way you're not pulling and tugging on your own hair. This is very simple. I will say that for the best result, you want to do these braids as small as possible, but social distancing is still going on at my house, so I don't really care too much about it being pure perfection. So yes, that is what I have going on here. Once again, make sure your post notifications are on. Click that bell so you're notified and you'll see it again. Let's get this video up with likes so that way more people can see it. Yeah, in this sense, the tighter you pull the lock, the tighter is going to be on the wig. There we go, get them thumbs up there. But the tighter you pull, the tighter it will be on the wig. But I am telling you, just try it. You absolutely lose nothing by just trying this. And if you don't like it, you can simply detach these crochet locks from the wig and put them on your own hair like normal. I have shorts on, I promise. I wasn't trying to show you my stuff, okay? But now I am just going to follow through the whole head. You will see I ended up, I think they sent me about 7 packages altogether, but I think I've only used about 4 and some change, not even a full 4 packs. So you will see me go back in and fill in a couple of spots, but this makes it so easy. Okay, some spots I didn't fill in because I wasn't worried about certain parts of the head. Okay, you just make it go for the way that you want it to go that day. Leave me some comments below and let me know if you're gonna give this a try. I really want to talk to you. Let's talk in the comments. I'll see you there.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I